Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Tash. Welcome back to my channel. I just had a Jeffree Star moment. For today's video, I thought that we would go ahead and get into the Maybelline Matte Bar palette, as well as play with some more color from the Cake Pop palette as promised. Now, I did get my boxycharm in the mail today. However, my boxycharm videos don't seem to do well, and I think it's because so many people show the same products over and over and over again. So I'm just going to let you guys know what I did play with today. First off, my base and everything is already done. Eyes are primed, brows are done. We're ready to get into the eyeshadow look. So I did go ahead and use the Artist Couture loose highlighter in the shade Shimmer Haze. This is called the Diamond Glow Powder. I'm just going to put it up to the camera so that you guys can see. And she's lit. It's so beautiful. This is the highlighter right here. You guys, I am feeling this all the way. The other new product that I went into, this is not BoxyCharm, but I'm still playing with the Black Radiance Dewy Mist and loving it. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that you will hit that subscribe button before you leave. Come back and join our fam bam and help us grow. Also, if you like today's video, please don't forget before you leave today to hit that like button. It really helps us out. Each time you hit that like button, it's going to throw my video into other people's recommended in their news feed, and it's really going to help our family grow because it's going to draw attention to our channel. So welcome again to the new subscribers. We're very happy to have you here. If you want, drop a comment down in the comments section and let us know how you found us. And without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get into some eyeshadow. Alright, you guys, I'm going to zoom you in just a little bit so that you guys can see the color selections that I pick out a little bit better. I'm probably going to do the thing where I point to the colors. I just think it makes it easier and it cuts down on video time for you guys. So come on in just a little bit closer. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to start out with the Maybelline Matte Bar palette, and I am going to go in with this Dusty Rose color and then also this purpley color and put those into my crease to start off. As you can see, it's pretty pigmented. I'm not going to talk too much after this, I promise. This color I'm taking almost up to the brow bone. And then now I'm going to take a smaller brush and just set the upper brow bone with a lighter shade so that I don't go up too much further. Actually, you guys, give me just a second. I'm going into the ColourPop palette, or ColourPop. Going into the Cake Pop palette, and I'm just going to take the shade Coconut Cream, which is this light shade here. And I'm going to set my brow bone with that. Going back into the Matte Bar palette with the Dusty Rose shade, I'm just going to kind of even that out a little bit better. Taking a clean brush. so my eye look is done. At the end of the video, I will slow it down and let you guys take a peek. My eyes are starting to water though, and I still have to put on eyeliner and mascara, and I'm tripping. I'm so tripping right now. I don't want them to water anymore. So hopefully we will get through this. Just bear with me, you guys. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to go in with this new Wet n Wild Mega Last Liquid Catsuit in the shade Bad Girls Club. Now, to some people, this is not going to match. To me, it matches. If you remember the Purple Hat ladies, they did purple and red. So going in with a... I lost my lip liner. Hold on, you guys. Like, no, I just had it sitting here. You know what? I'm just going to go in with this Profusion lip liner because it's sitting here and I think it'll match. Because I just had my LA Girl one here and I don't know what happened to it. So, just a moment. Else really bad at outlining when it comes to red. I don't know why, but I feel like I just always have so many problems. Oh my god, you guys, this is so pretty. I love these lipsticks. These are so beautiful and so smooth and creamy. They're not sticky, they're opaque. Oh, I think I have almost all of them. I seriously hope this is a product that they never stop making. Alright, you guys, so here are the lips. Freaking love this color. And you guys, I do not wear red, but this is the one I'm going to stock up on, just in case they stop making it. Because I love this color. It's just so pretty. It's super fresh for summer, and it's just like, ooh. Alright, really quickly, I'm going to reline my eyes with this purple from the Cake Pop palette because it keeps watering. And I'm just trying to get done so I can show you guys the finished look. But, of course, my eyes do not want to cooperate. So really quickly, in case it looks like shit, by the time I get my mascara and stuff on, I'm going to zoom you guys in. Right, you guys, really quickly, I know that was half-ass backwards, but I'm going to throw on some eyeliner, and we'll do a round two. Unless my eyes are still watering, of course. You know, it's so weird having this problem with my eyes watering so bad, because when I was older, I do not remember having this problem like this. Or when I was younger. Y'all, I'm tripping. But yeah, it was never this bad. Now it's just like water, 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 water. I'm trying out this new mascara by Manicarta Beauty. It says Bloom Volumizing Mascara. I've tried it out one other time on my channel. I think this came in last month's BoxyCharm. And it hasn't been open long enough in my opinion. So I don't know if I like it yet. I love the brush. That's really cool. Guys, I am loving glitter in this palette. If you guys have not ordered this palette yet, I'm telling you, it's 15 bucks. And oh my god, so beautiful. Also, I have been playing around with the Maybelline Matte Bar palette for about a week now or so, and I love it. I think it is an amazing palette. If you are looking for an all matte palette, I think it is so worth it. The colors are pigmented, they're long lasting, they blend beautifully. They are not patchy at all whatsoever. And I just think it's beautiful. Now, if I had to pick one, it would be a toss-up. Like, I could not just pick one. But it would either be the Maybelline Matte Bar or the Milani Most Love Mattes. They're both beautiful, affordable eyeshadow palettes. And they are just great. Alright, I'm going to call it with the mascara. I think it looks okay. I'm going to go ahead and reline my bottom lash line once again. And we're going to say a prayer that it sticks this time. I do not know why my eyes are watering so bad, but it's like I just want to get through the video. Come on, eyes. If you have been with me for a while, you know that this is like a problem I have all the time. This is like seriously the only reason I do not like putting shadow on my lower lash line, just because this is what happens. And then instead of looking gorgeous, it just looks horrible. So really quickly, I'm going to get those shots real quick before my eyes start to water. Alright, you guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's look. Excuse me, I got some makeup on my shirt. If you are new here, what's up? My name is Tash. I hope that you will hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you are notified each time I upload a video, which is 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, and randomly throughout the week. I hope that you guys enjoyed everything about today's video. Leave me a comment down below and let me know if you are going to pick up either one of these beautiful palettes. Highly, highly, highly recommend this. Again, if you have not seen the entire palette, here she is. You get glitters, shimmers, pressed pigments, mattes. It's beautiful. So beautiful. 15 bucks for 13 shades. I will leave the Amorus website down below again. What else? Thank you guys again so much for your support. Welcome to the new subscribers. I'm so happy to have you guys. And I appreciate everything that you guys do as far as watching my videos, liking my videos, commenting on my videos. Don't forget to hit that like button, you guys. We'll see you guys in my next video. Again, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys and have a wonderful day. Bye, guys.